Hey y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Today on the show where I watch police chases, we got a M4 running from police. This Beamer is giving them the work. Taking their ass to Gapplebee's. This is the first M4 chase I've ever seen, so. This cop is not even getting close to the M4 whatsoever. Do you see the gap?
Turning south on the 400 ready. I'm sitting 12 with this. Southbound from 14.
And he's took the trooper on the interstate, like, bro. It's over with. It's over with. And I know this isn't a non-charger pursuit police car trying to chase this M4. Get this cop a drug test.
I'm losing sight of him.
You've been lost sight of him.
Passing Billy Powell now. He's probably at about 120, so be careful. It's not worth it if you can't safely do it.
That might be a charger. Maybe they got the spike set up for him.
Spikes are shallow. Looks like he's in the fast lane now. He just switched to the slow lanes and the slow lane.
I know I'm gonna completely milk this. Okay, so he threw spikes out on the M4.
Good spikes.
Damn. If you guys don't know, when the cops catch the bad guys, I clap it up for them. I eat a donut, but
5221. Is it a white BMW?
okay, so I see the Porsche.
I got him.
There's the M4 smashing off.
Going toward the Halcyon. Coming up to Ronald Reagan right now. Looks like we turn right on.
Were the spikes any good if we're seeing this right now?
White BMW.
If the car has run flats, can it just run when they're flat? Like, what does that really do? Look at this massive gap.
No traffic. Going up on Mechanic Ferry.
Okay, he's catching up on the M4.
He's slowing down now. He's about 80. Going up to Union Hill. Looks like we're taking a right on Union Hill.
Is it breaking traction damn near in the corner like that? And then it's straight line. Gone. He definitely has the right tool to run from police. Like, anybody who wants to argue that it's not the right tool, you're out your mind, man. I don't know why he's letting it get this close.
Left on Tidwell, left on Tidwell.
Damn, he bumped that M4. Damn. Smash back off. Make him work.
Get your hands out of the car right now. You got a pit.
Damn. That was a sick chase. Sick BMW. Even sicker. But yeah, you guys seen what happened? You know what I mean? When this M4 tried to run from police, it's not likely that you'll be caught in M4. I don't condone running from the police, but guys, you just got to do this right. You got to have a strategy to it. Like, why are you? So unfortunately, the video went out. I ran out of storage on my phone, recording my face. I know you guys are probably sick of seeing my face, so we're gonna end out another video like this. Let's clap it up for the police. They caught the bad guy, donuts, and yeah. So this is the show where I watch police chases. If you liked anything I said in this video, maybe smash the subscribe button. Definitely hit the like button. If you want to share it with someone, please do. It really supports the channel. It's JTSpeeds, and I'm out. Peace.
My shooter's for sure, he don't see miss. Bitch, give me tap, I don't need kiss. They want it in blood, I don't bleed it. Bitch, hope on your eyes, you gon' see it. My bitch is a freak, she can take it. Her friend is a friend, she gon' take it. I'm running around on my spaceship. You give me a blunt, it's a day trip. She wanna fuck, but won't say it. They never tell her what you gon' play it.